it's very tempting, especially with the frameworks that exist, and Hasty makes it super easy too. Like you could start off and build a really cool detector really damn quickly, really quickly. But
we didn't pay for that, probably.
Yeah. However, just getting the output of that isn't going to, be your final product, and might not be what you intend in the long run to it being. So do spend some time building out what your entire end-to-end system is going to be. And to make that easy on yourself, start with an out-of-the-box model. You're going to see like what sort of inferences you'll see in your system, and it'll take you a little bit of time.
OpenCV is your friend in these kind of cases. We're making an interactive application the customer is actually going to touch. Certainly going to be using more of these kind of state-of-the-art tools. I'm an old school guy, but a lot of these new tools are really slick and they really do work. I was pretty much flabbergasted that it actually worked the first time, and we got a really good model right away.
Don't think that there's not huge value in some of these, what seem to be very simple things, but just keep in mind there's so much that will need to be built along with it. My next piece of very simple advice, do start off with an out-of-the-box model. Like you will 100% end up changing either like where you're filming something from or the type of camera that you're using. You will change the lens on that camera, or there'll be something that is going to change how you're collecting that data. But what does typically stay constant is I am doing some sort of inference at this point with either an image or some type of data, and then I'm going to take that data and bring it into something else. Now, if you can start building out what that whole pipeline looks like, that's going to give you a lot of insight into how you're going to use your machine learning model and what it is you're going to train for that you might not have at the beginning of the project.